Welcome back to our channel, Design on a Dollar. I'm your host, Ida, and this is my bestie. I thought maybe she would be here. For our live, but she wasn't. So I had to record her and put her on our video. Look here.
Feeling myself.
Yeah, she was home, but she go home tomorrow.
Yay.
No yay.
Look what she got though, y'all.
And she made me some
the picture look better.
I'm eating it. That's why I look like this. I'm tearing this up.
So man.
I don't want to get nobody in it, but
we're cooking them box custard. Stop it.
This is heaven in a bowl, y'all. Heaven in a bowl. And the fact that it was made by my bestie, that makes it even more special.
Because I love her. This my movie.
Are you going to leave this early?
Look, Kiana don't want to leave either.
I won.
What?
I won. I won her.
Oh yeah, that's YouTube. It's for YouTube. She always y'all know this one right here. She always crashing our videos. But wow, this is so good.
You ain't even eat it. She tasted it though, and it was good.
I love the pudding.
Yes, I won. See, I done stole her heart.
Not fair.
She just as sleepy.
She like it too.
Oh,
that's
God.
good. Yes, it's made with love. I did that.
Good. Look, yeah, guys. I talk about her all the time, and I had to introduce her to you guys.
Yes.
This is my bestie, only one I have left.
Oh wow, I forgot. That is horrible. Oh God, I got to stay here a long time.
Yeah, yeah. Look, that's guilt trip her. I'm a guilt trip her. But no, y'all y'all will see her again. I'm going to visit her at the end of this month. I'm going to visit her at the end of this month, so she will be on one of our lives. And look, I'm gonna turn her into a DIY after all. I got the chandelier
on there. Yeah,
I got the chandelier hanging on. I just finished it.
Oh, that's
she gonna
pretty.
get it.
Oh yeah.
No, I'm waiting for her to say, well, how did you?
Yeah, that is next. Because I'm like, I can't leave her alone for 5. The doctor said sit down. SITDOWN. Sit down. What did she do? Everything else. Sit down. Lay down. Down is the key word in this. No. Shit, her word is up. Up. Up.
This had me down, though.
Sleep. Yeah, I'm gonna put some sleeping pills in her medicine. Have food. No.
Well, guys, it's getting late here, and her mom is downstairs, and
she's gonna be fussing in a minute. Come on here.
And then she gotta get her mom home, and her mom don't see her mom. Well, no, I take that back because she do sneak in and see her mom sometime without coming to see me. So
she don't know me.
Yeah, yes I do.
She don't know me. What did I say? You don't know me. You see me in the street, I'm like, you don't know me.
She likes trap music too, y'all.
Yes.
If anybody know what trap music is, put it down in the comments, because I'm thinking that it's supposed to trap you off into doing what the
See, this
song
want to
says.
think too much. She want to take this to a doctorate degree level, and we don't have to do this.
Well, I want to know what trap music is, though.
We gonna Google it.
Yeah. I don't trust Google all the time. So if you know what trap music is, leave it down in the comment area. Also, guys, if you have any questions that you want to know about us, leave it down in the comment area. And next time you see her, we will answer them.
Yep.
So, I love you. I love you. I love you. I love you to the moon and back again.
Oh, yeah, and got the snap. Yes.
And I see you guys next time. Love you guys. Bye.